As we speak, the second string Reggae Girlz are engaged in battle against Panama, trying to keep their Gold Cup qualification hopes alive. This, of course, while the first string players remain on strike or walk out or whatever it is. Of course, we wish the second string team the best and hope they do the unthinkable and qualify for the Gold Cup and show these first string girls that they are not indispensable. And everybody know my take already. Never did and never will support national representatives sticking up their federation and by extension their country. That is both a wrong starting point and a wrong ending point, especially in a context where representing their country in the first place is what exposed their talent to professional clubs that in turn signed them to professional contracts. In addition to the emotional and mental fatigue that these girls are putting us through, all things considered, give me the second string girls over the first string girls. Win, lose, or draw. Second string girls all the way!